Hi, everybody. Monty McIntyre here. Nice to be with you again. And today I'm going to talk about a new case that came out last month dealing with CCP 998 offers. Now, I do three things that help lawyers in California, and that's my basic work these days. So I've been a lawyer since 1980, member of the American Board of Trial Advocates since 1995. And so today, what I do, the first thing is I act as a neutral. I settle cases as a mediator. Then I also just hear and decide issues or cases as an arbitrator and a referee. Do this with ADR services throughout California. If I can help you with those things, I would love to do it. Happy to help, and I love doing this work. I also publish what I call California case summaries. These publications, which are monthly, quarterly, and annual, provide one paragraph summaries that you can read quickly in under 2 minutes of every new civil published case in California. It's a great way for lawyers to easily keep up with the new cases in your practice areas. And a great thing to do at the beginning of the year in 2023 is to look at the important new cases decided last year in 2022 in your practice areas and apply them to your current cases this year, because it's going to give you great ideas. You may find something out that is going to help you settle a big case and not have to try it. You may file a motion for summary judgment and knock a case out and win it for your client. So there's a lot of ways that these cases help. And if I can help you with those subscriptions, I'm happy to. And I've got these unique annual subscriptions that you may want to take a look at. And finally, I help law firms train their younger lawyers. We haven't had good mentoring for the last 20, 30 years with my master lawyer mentoring services. And what I do is quickly train these younger lawyers how to master the essential skills you need as a lawyer, as a litigation lawyer, strategically work up and present your cases so they can become excellent lawyers who get excellent results for their law firms and for their clients. So today we're going to talk about something that comes up all the time in our courts of appeal, and this is 998 offers. You know, if you're going to make a 998, and if you want to get the benefit of it, either as a plaintiff or defendant, you want to make sure it's valid. You may want to make sure it's going to be considered to be adequate, and then you may want to make sure you beat it. So in this particular case, we had a Song-Beverly case and a Consumer Remedies Act case, and the defendant, not really early, but earlier on in the litigation, served a 998. Plaintiff rejected it. They litigated and fought for another 2 years. And then on the day of trial, they ended up essentially settling for the same terms as a 998. So the plaintiff made a motion for attorney's fees, and they got pissed off that the trial court did not award them all of their attorney's fees. And you'll see in the Court of Appeal decision, the Court of Appeal said, hey, the trial court properly ruled that this 998 was valid. And because they agreed to the same amount as the earlier 998, the plaintiff didn't get a better result. So therefore, the plaintiff's attorney's fees were cut off at the time of the 998, even though they would normally get attorney's fees all the way through the action. So make sure that you're careful and you're getting the best benefit of the 998s, because they can be very helpful and powerful tools in your litigation and in handling your cases. So I hope you do well and be well until we meet again next week. And I hope you stay safe and stay healthy. Bye-bye for now. Bye-bye.